so much and welcome to LaGuardia.
Hey everyone, we are back, and this time New York City for a girls trip. We stayed here at the Frederick Hotel in the Tribeca area in downtown New York City on Manhattan Island, and we had a fantastic time. It was right by the subway, super easy access. There was a separate eating area, waiting area that was super comfortable where we waited till our room was ready. We got there a little bit early, so it wasn't quite ready yet. Because this is an older hotel, the rooms are a little bit small, but it was plenty of room for us. We just needed it for sleeping. It was quiet, it was clean, it was a really nice stay. Here in the closet, there were extra amenities that you could purchase if used. A really nice robe. There was some refreshments there, all for a fee. Nice slippers. At check-in, we were offered bottled water that was complimentary, as well as these postcards. There were walking tours available. You just have to book through concierge or scan the QR code. Every morning they had a grab-and-go breakfast as well as this coffee bar set up, and it was really good coffee, delicious.
Had some grab-and-go breakfast.
It was not a lot of food, but it was just enough to get us going for the day, as well as we had a lot of walking to do, so we didn't want to have something too heavy. Those croissants were fresh made and they were so delicious. Right next door is the Seraphino restaurant. It's actually connected to the hotel. We never had a chance to eat there, however, it looked like a nice place to go. The Frederick Hotel is located within walking distance of One World Tower. Looking down from the One World Tower, you could see our hotel right about there. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow along as we release exciting videos from our trip to New York City.